Alright, what is up, you guys? We are starting a new series. We recently moved to El Paso, so we've been seeing that people put a lot of food on Marketplace. So we're actually going to be trying out food that we found on Marketplace. So we've been seeing flautas all over Marketplace. So this is the lady that we're gonna go pick them up from. We already ordered it from her, so we're gonna see how fast they are to respond, how long it takes to make the food, and like just like as a customer service, how good are they, you know? And then overall, like the food quality, the food production. So she has two options. She gives you like a full tray with lettuce, tomato, limones, and like chile, the guacamole, and the crema. Or the other option is just simple. You just take the flautas. So we went ahead and just got the simple flautas. We're gonna go ahead and try them out. It's a total of 60 flautas. So if you're trying to feed your family, you just don't feel like cooking today, so this is probably like the perfect thing that you want to do. So we got the 60 flautas. We did find out that she did say it was gonna be $15 for the flautas, but they're not fried. We kind of just want something like we could just grab and go. So we asked her, like, can you fry them for us? And she was super friendly. She said yes, but it will be like a $5 charge. So it's up to you whether you want to come home and fry them. I really don't want to be frying flautas right now, and it's freaking hot. We just ordered them today, so she was quick to respond. Probably about what, like an hour?
Maybe 2 hours max, but I mean for 60 flautas, that's pretty quick.
Respond time, quick. And she had them ready at least within 2 hours for 60 flautas. And I'm pretty sure we're not the only order that she's had today. We are 15 minutes from her location, so I will get back on here once we pick them up. All right, y'all, we are getting close. So we're actually, if you're in El Paso, we are on loop 375. We aren't sure if she delivers, but because we were close by, we decided to just go ahead and drive up. Since we didn't get the additional like fixings, we're gonna go ahead and stop at a store just to get like the crema and the guacamole and stuff. That's just our preference. Again, if you want to grab everything, it's ready to go, or if you have it. But we are going down loop 375, and we're going to make an exit on exit 45, which is North Loop. So if you're familiar with the area, that is where we're heading towards, and we're about 5 minutes away from her home. That's the park, Lancaster Park, and then she's gonna just go ahead and meet us because she asked us what kind of car we had. So I think we found her. Getting the cash ready, Cash Money Records. Okay, she's right there.
Hola. ¿Qué tiene?
Está bien caliente.
Ok, está bien.
Agárralo de aquí de
Okay.
los lados. Y se lo da de abajo.
Sí, está, gracias. Le otros 5 para usted.
Ah, qué bueno.
Gracias. Sí, gracias. Que tenga buen día.
All right, well, this is what it looks like. It's like a little pan, and she hooked us up with some salsa, some salsa roja. So that is freaking bomb. It is pretty hot. She did say that it was going to be like a little bit hot.
We'll show you more at the house.
Yeah, I just want to kind of like show you the like tan recién hechas. She was super sweet, by the way. But look. Oh, the store gets some extra stuff, and we'll meet you guys at the house. And we get digging, baby. And she makes some handmade flautas.
Handmade, yeah.
Ain't nobody got time for that. I'm just kidding.
All right.
All right, we'll meet you guys back out. Well, we needed to go to the post office, and Vista's right across the street, so we came to this one. Míralo. Gonna get a little thing of cheese, little quesito. And he's looking for some vinegar. I think it's just regular white vinegar. I don't see any. This is all oil. Hector in the supermarket. Acá está abajo, mira. Just get like a little one.
They don't have little ones.
Right here.
Get that one?
Or was it?
Some
What
shit.
the heck? Yeah, let's get the bigger one. All right. Even though the lady gave us a salsa, we're gonna get this one. This one right here is really good. The salsa de árbol. Says he's hungry, so quiere macaroni. Esas son las tortillas. Para si quieres que te haga yo las flautas. Just kidding. Nice. Oh, that's perfect, babe. Well, we didn't realize we were gonna get the whole store. Just kidding, but I'm gonna go get a basket. For the Mac attack. Dun-dun, dun-dun, dun-dun. All right. So we got the queso, the mac, the vinegar. What else did we get? Oh yeah, the cheese. I think we're just hungry. He's hungry, me too. These are chicharrones. We're now on a mission to go and get some avocados. Yeah, that sounds good. This one's good. Oh, this one's good. Yeah, I'm just gonna use 2.
And it's gonna be like the aguacate sauce thing.
But I might need a cilantro and a serrano. Should I get more than? Should I get 3 or 2?
Yeah, get one more.
Yes, it's gonna be like the aguacate sauce.
But you need cilantro for that?
Just like a little bit. Oh, this one's good. Alright. Yeah.
Una bolsita, ¿no?
Aguacates. Okay.
Una bolsita.
Cilantro. This is like a little bunch. You having a hard time there or what? They're hiding right here. We'll get like 2 because you want it a little bit spicy, right? Según. Yeah, I'm just gonna get like 2 little serranos. All right, maybe like 3. Like 3 little serranitos. Getting some limoncitos. Those you could pick because you know how to pick them.
Babe, I know how to pick everything. You just don't like.
El limón.
No sé contar.
1, a 2, a 3. Got him? 10? 10 chop?
I don't have enough. I think so.
Okay. Vamos a levantar la lechuguita porque está en el piso. Sí, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Simón.
Sé contar.
Sí sabes contar. Their self-checkout? Alright. Alright. Debit card only, yes?
Yes.
Alright, these are random.
We're off to a good start. Eso que era cashier, entonces mira, no está haciendo time.
Oh, damn.
Oh, it's a smart scale. Babe.
No, dude, what did you
That was a smart scale.
I know.
Just
We got 3 avocados.
avocados. Well,
Okay.
I got it. Thank you.
All right, y'all. We are on our way home now. We stopped at the Vista Market. As you can see, Hector thought it was a smart scale. And I'm like, I don't think they're that fancy. But the cashier on the other side, like she has a thing. I guess it's because the screen wasn't working. I swear the screen was not working. So she was just like kind of like manually putting in.
But you were a cashier.
I was a cashier at one point. But no, like the girl was like marking
The second she saw the bag, she's already typing it in.
yeah, which it freaking helps. I think that more places should do that because I feel like a lot of people take a lot of time when they're scanning their produce because they don't know how to search it. But I know how to search it.
Real talk, I didn't like fucking doing produce even when I was a fucking cashier. I fucking hated that shit.
You hated doing.
Like.
No, I prided myself that I remembered. Like I actually memorized some of the numbers. So I was like, brrr. That's why right now when she did it, I was like, yo, like you didn't even give me a chance. So we're heading home. We got the goods. The bag is secured. Just said they were onto us that we were recording because they're being too friendly. I'm like, can people just be friendly nowadays?
No.
No. All right. So we will catch the vlog up once we get home and we got everything laid out. Oh yeah, and I'm gonna make a guacamole salsa by the way too. All right, we are home. We made the fresh guacamole. Now this is the little salsita that she gave us. Here are the flautas. Yum. We did get another one of these. We absolutely love the chile de árbol. We already had the crema at home. We got some macaroni and cheese from Vista Market. And then we also got some queso because you can never go wrong with some queso and flautas. So we're about to serve it up. But this is what it looks like. So you get 4 flautas like per like toothpick. So this is how she has them. So I went ahead and put like a double, like so I have 8 right here. Then we're gonna put some of the guacamole. We're gonna do the banderita here, okay? It might not be the prettiest, but we're gonna try. You want it on all of them, right?
Yes.
Like this. We have our crema. Our crema in the middle. We're gonna do the salsa. And then the salsa. I kind of overspilled it, but that is our flauta plate.
Yes.
All right, so we got our flauta plate here. We're about to go in for the first bite. Beep. They're nice. They're crispy.
They're carne, no? They're thin, but they're good.
They're thin, but they're good.
That salsa, be careful with it.
Her salsa is spicy.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, if you guys don't like spice, I would not recommend you put a lot.
Mm-hmm.
But
They're good.
we
I'd
will
do
be
them
buying them again.
Yeah, 100%.
Especially when I mean, I know we did a lot because we went to go buy extra stuff. But she tells you everything already.
Mm-hmm.
So 10 out of 10 would recommend. We'll leave her information below.
I did it here again.
And thank you guys for watching. We will be making more of this style content.
Like and subscribe.
Make sure to like and subscribe.
I'm gonna eat my food.
And now we're gonna eat our food.